So if you've been playing Castle recently, you might have seen some games that have passes. And basically what passes is, it is a thing you can buy that stays in your inventory and you have to pay with bricks for it. Once you have it, you have access to limited and exclusive content in the game, or basically content that's hidden behind a paywall because you have to get the pass first. This passes does not go away when you go in different games, so it'll stay in the user's inventory for the whole time and it stays there permanently. So it's a bit different than you might think, but it's still a pretty cool feature. I'm going to show you how you can do it. So if I pull up this game, for example, Nectar Protector made by Mr. Squidward, you can see there is game passes section here. This is an example of how it kind of works. I don't have any bricks, so I can't buy anything, but basically here is some 3 game passes that you can buy. You can buy infinite money and things. What it's going to do, once you tap on the thing, it's going to offer you to buy the pass for 50, and then the artwork here you can change to whatever you want. It has a description and title. So we're going to be making this in today's video. So first what I'm going to do is I'm going to go here, get a text, and this is going to be the basically thing you're going to tap to actually activate the pass and give you the offer for it. So once you've made it, you're going to go on the logic of here, and what you think is you just say when it's tapped, and then there's a new response you can do is offer player a pass, and then I have a test pass here, but you basically choose the pass here. And basically the passes also work. You can have the same pass for multiple games, and in each of the same games there can also be a singular pass they all use. So this test pass was in a different card, but it came over here because it's linked with all your cards. Before we make the pass, we're going to first make artwork for it, because you need artwork for every pass. If you don't have any artwork in your deck, it's not going to work. So let's quickly make, because of the test, I'm just going to make a circle, a smiley face. And you don't have to place this down, it can be anywhere. You can even just be saved here. So now what we're going to do is we're going to go out the deck and make the pass. So once you get out the card, you're going to be over here and you're going to press on passes. Here's where the passes are going to be stored throughout all the cards and all the decks. So you're going to say create pass, and this pass we're going to name it tutorial. This is a tutorial, and then have the description saying this is a tutorial. Then we're going to select the artwork at the top, and this is going to be the smiley face we had there. It's basically going to be the artwork. You can make this to anything else you want by just making the artwork, and you don't have to place it in your actual deck. You can actually just make it and leave it in the storage there. Then you can go to the price, make it to however much bricks you want the pass to be, and then there's a checkbox right here. Basically what this checkbox does is only for the creator of the deck. They can test to see how the pass works once they own it and don't own it. So once you tick on the checkbox, you as the creator is going to own it once you go into the deck, and if you untick it, you won't, so you'll have to get it again. This is just for testing and things. Then I'll save it like this, and now we have tutorial. Now what we can do is go back into the card, and we can now say when tapped, it's going to offer pass and tutorial. So now once we test this, we can press play, click on the pass, it's going to offer us this pass, and you can test it without using bricks and it'll do whatever. For when you buy the pass is I'm going to make another text, and I'm going to say noob for now. So now I have the text noob. I'm going to put like in the top left corner, and basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to change the noob text to be pro once you buy the pass. So to do this, you can do this on the noob or the bypass actor, but I'm going to do it on the noob actor. I'm going to say on it when the pass is purchased, and you're going to choose which pass. This is going to be the tutorial because we're using this. It's going to modify the property of the context of the text, and we're going to make this pro like we said. So now it's set to pro, and then we're also going to change the color to green. So we're going to modify property again, and we're going to say the color, which we're going to make to a light green. So now the thing is not purchased. Once we press on bypass, we purchase it. It changes the noob to pro. So that's a simple tutorial how passes work. They are quite new features. Still new things would be changed to them eventually, most likely. But it's really cool that we have it. So thank you guys so much for watching the video. See you guys next time, and bye bye.